Good evening to all. Let me explain the Pecharthalo incidents that happened yesterday on 26/6/2021. What happened is we have been transferred from Pecharthalo to Dharmanagar hospital. Right now we are in Dharmanagar hospital. So over in the in the Pecharthalo there was no proper maybe some treatment and all. So we have been transferred in the Dharmanagar hospital. Out of 4, I was one of the victim of that situation, and the rest of 3 they are lying beside me over here in the hospital. I will show you later. So how the incident happened and what the situation was. Let me explain everything. So it's like one of our TIPRA warrior was beaten hardly by iron rod on afternoon. In the afternoon time. So after our internal meeting, so we went. Their so-called BSC chairman of BJP's. We went their resident to have a peaceful discuss on that situation. So we 12 Khwnarwkha went to their home, to his home. So just after a few minutes, after a few seconds, when we started having discussion on that afternoon situation, so few of us members or few of his friends or few of his Khwnarwkha, they just hit me in my backside of the head, and they used all their work, bamboos, stones over. Yeah, you can see. I am not explaining, I am not disclosing any names, so let it be in the, I don't disclose all those names. So now the incident is, they just hit me in my back or with bamboos, stones, everything. I just somehow I escaped from that situation. And in the meantime, all police car or police constable and all, they came to see the situation, and they just took me in the hospital in Pecharthalo PSG. Then we had a stitch over here. I had a stitch over here in my back of my head. And after a few minutes, what happened? Our sub-zonal chairman, whose name is Sri Sudhir Chakma, they just went to see me over there in the hospital. And what happened is, they just came, entered in the hospital, and just started attacking us. Attacking them. I was taken aside by the police in the bathroom or somewhere else, and they just locked me out in that bathroom, and they just started beating our chairman. And after a few seconds or after a few minutes, I just saw they are like black and blue, all the blood everywhere. Four of our members, for our seniors, they are having just flowing blood in the floor. If you don't believe, you can see, or you can see any news or pictures from other viral pages and all. Right now I cannot show it, but I can show you the victim lying over there. So what I want to say is, we don't want violence. That's our Bhuvagra, our Maharaja told us. That's why we are tolerating everything, whatever happens. Till now, we don't have any violence record in Pecharthalo, but they are just trying. They are just trying and trying. They are compelling us to fight with them. And what happened is, we are the ultimate sufferer, but we don't go for violence. I have a small, Xerox or printout online workshop, which were having my desktop and some printers and all, 2-3 printers. On 8 o'clock, I think, yesterday, it was just broken off. All the shops, all the books, all the Xerox machines, computers, and all. They just broke everything. So all our friends, TIPRA warriors, they just came in to see me in the hospital. After that, what happened, I don't know. So if it is, I mean, any violence is happening in the Pecharthalo, let me tell you everything. I mean, let me tell to everyone, don't go for any violence. We will be having same day and same day on the other day. And they will be having all the suffering things, fighting things, but we don't want to fight right now. Might be I'm having some improper words in my video because I'm a bit nervous right now. So forgive me for that. All my heads and all my head, all are, what to say that I'm having deep headache right now. But still, what I want to give a message is no need to do any violence. Just let it go in the flow. We have in law and orders. We have in police. We'll just ask them for help. Thank you so much. Tripura Mata long live. Bubagara long live.